Hello, Jim. Thank you very much for chatting with me. Would you like to introduce yourself and your business?
Yeah, I'm Jim Pryor from Quietco, and we install domestic soundproofing into homes, which reduces the noise and allows you to stay in the home you love.
That sounds really good. I think it's something that a lot of people can do with, especially with neighbors like mine. But yeah, Jim, tell me what made you come to me in the first place for a spreadsheet?
Okay, so I went with Spreadsheet Solutions because I could really tell straight away that Richard knew his stuff. I've made plenty of spreadsheets in my past. I like to think they're kind of advanced Excel spreadsheets, so I thought they were until Richard showed me. He showed me what Excel could really do. Mine were just more like a solution that could get me the answer that I want. They're more like an advanced calculator, I suppose. But then when Richard showed me what Excel could do and the amount of time and money it could save for me and my team, that's when I knew, yeah, Spreadsheet Solutions were the one for us.
Do you want to just say briefly what the spreadsheet was that I made for you?
Yeah, so the Spreadsheet Solutions, they built a spreadsheet for our sales rep. It's a pricing sheet that allowed our sales reps to go into homes and talk with the homeowners and actually have a sales conversation. So they could pick and choose our products, and it generated a quote for the homeowner. The sales rep could have that sales conversation, and then the sales rep can then send that on to the office to produce a written quote if required.
So how, I mean, I don't think you've actually started using the spreadsheet yet with the sales reps, but what kind of difference do you think it's going to make to the business?
Yeah, it's well, we've actually we have used it. Each member of the team now has a copy of that spreadsheet, the final sheet, and we're all singing off the same hymn sheet now. It's great. We're all able to generate that same price, whereas before we'd all come up with sort of different answers. But this spreadsheet it's so professional that we've just selecting the same product and just coming up with the same price. So it's yeah, it's been great in that way.
That's really good to hear. Now, one final question, if I might, and I think you did touch on this in the first one, but why would you recommend me to others?
Okay, so like most businesses must have some kind of spreadsheet. Every business has some sort of Excel spreadsheet, I'm sure, which they're using, if it's for pricing or for stock or something. And we just thought ours was good and it was just an advanced calculator. But if you can actually have a spreadsheet professionally done, it is really just a game changer. It will save you so much time and effort, just getting that sheet professionally done by Richard and the team at Spreadsheet Solutions.
Well, Jim, thank you very much for your time. I really do appreciate it.
All right, thanks very much, Richard. Cheers.